Today, we will learn how to remove background from any images in very easy steps. Type background remover in the search bar. Click on the first shown result. This is the interface of this website, 100% automatically free. And no need to create an account on it. Simply upload image from your system. As you can see, we removed the background within a few seconds. If you click on this edit button, then you will find more options. You also able to upload your own background from your system. If you click on these given backgrounds, then this will placed behind your image. You can also select colors for the background of your image if you want. See, it's look amazing. Another thing is you can also remove backgrounds of online images as well. Let me show you how. Simply drag and drop it on the background remover website. As you can see, some background area is left behind. You can remove it manually with the help of eraser. I hope you understand all the things. You can sell this service on any freelance platform easily.